I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you now. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you.
Hello everybody and welcome to KEE'S and the fam. Today I am making one of my husband's favorite desserts. Today I am making pecan pie. I know a lot of people pronounce it pecan, whatever. It's still the same thing. So today, for this recipe, you will need 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, a pinch of salt, and 3 eggs. Now, isn't that simple? So, we're going to start first with our corn syrup. That's 1 cup. And we need to make sure we get all of this out of here, because it do stick. Okay, now we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Also you can use, the Kaminator dark syrup, but this is really sweet, so I just like the light corn syrup. So we're going to mix this in. And you can also do this on the stove because it will stick. And you want to make sure that the sugar get mixed up real good with this corn syrup. To this mixture, I am adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We gotta get all of that butter out of there. I'll mix this in. And he likes the graham cracker crust. He's spoiled like that, but he likes the graham cracker crust. So we're gonna make sure all this is mixed in. Now we're going to add 1 vanilla. We got to have the vanilla flavor. We're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. We're going to stir this in really good. And if you want to, you can add cinnamon. And of course, I'm going to add just I guess I'm going to add probably a teaspoon of cinnamon. Because you know cinnamon make everything taste good.
Okay.
Why are you saying okay? Cinnamon dough. This is optional, but I do like to add my cinnamon. Okay, now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of flour. That's 1. And that's 2. Put this to the side. And we're going to stir this in. You can add a teaspoon. You can add a teaspoon of salt, but I just like to add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to add that in now. Now we're getting ready to add our eggs. Now we're going to add our 3 eggs in. These, of course, I like to add my eggs at the very end. Okay, that's my oven saying, come on, hurry up. So we're going to pour our eggs in here and we're going to mix this. Mix this in. And you can also use brown sugar with this. I like to use granulated sugar. And you just fold that egg in. And this do take a while. So if you're tired, this is not the recipe. No, I'm playing. You just got to make sure everything is mixed in together. We have our oven set at 350 degrees. Okay, the recipe calls for 1 cup of pecans. We're going to mix our pecans in. Okay. And sometimes what I like to do, I do like to add in coconut flakes. But this pie particular, since this is my husband's pie, I'm just going to put just pecans in. I'm not going to add the sweet coconut. So this is a graham cracker crust. And this pie cooks for 40 minutes. I would say 40 to 55 minutes, to be honest with you. But we're going to check it together. So we're going to take this pie. And we're going to pour our... This, I'm going to be honest with you, this is what I do. Because the pecans, he loves pecans. So I kind of add a little more in. They always rise to the top. But the recipe calls for 1 cup. And we're going to put this pie in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 55 minutes, and we'll bring you guys back. Well guys, it's been 1 hour. It had to cook for 1 hour, and this is my delicious pecan pie. So if you do try this recipe, please let me know. It's very simple. Like I said, you can use the dark K-roast, the dark corn syrup, or you can use the light. I prefer the light because the dark syrup is so much sweeter. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Kaminator Gamez. Don't forget to check out It's a Love Thing. And please, by all means, don't forget to check out KEE'S Way and also the Epic Empire. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.